The truth gonna set you free, but first it's gonna piss you off. Dun 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 dun. Ow!
What is poppin' Dope Nation at? You mad? You thought it was my boyfriend today, but it's not. But I had to throw back that intro, y'all, because I be on my neck every time I hear it. It is so funny. But ooh, damn, I am ashy today. But today's video is about doing sleek feed-in braids on type 4 hair. And I'm doing 2 feed-in braids, but I kind of gave her a design down the middle just to kind of like spice it up so it wasn't super plain. And so I started out by doing 2 cornrows down the center of her head, and then I'm parting half circles along those 2 parts. And basically I'm going to be doing like a crisscross crossover design. I had posted a picture like this on my Instagram before and you guys loved it, so I just recreated a look with 2 feed-in braids and it turned out poppin'. So I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and details on how you guys can get a really sleek style on type 4 hair without using heat. I have a lot of natural clients that do not like to flat iron their hair, and sometimes they want these sleek styles, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieve them. If y'all wondering why my hands are so dry, it's because I actually washed and conditioned her hair, and we pretty much did like a big chop. I cut off about 2 inches off her hair because she is going through a phase where she like loves her natural curls. She's like a type 4B and her curls are popping and she wanted them to be a little more healthy, so we did a big chop. And I didn't get to record that, but y'all, like when I tell you her hair is about to be healthy and on point, she's about to be winning. So to create the crossover design, I am braiding 1 half circle and I'm connecting it to the next half circle on the opposite side. So I'm starting with the first half circle on the right side, and then I'm gonna connect it to the second half circle on the left side. So I'm kind of like braiding across and connecting it to that hair, and then I'm gonna connect that to the third half circle on the right side, if that makes sense. I feel like once you look at it, you'll be like, oh, okay, like I'm just braiding and kind of like crossing it over to the opposite side. For these braids down the center, I did not add any hair to them, and I'm not going to, but the ends of them are going to be added into the 2 large feed-in braids that I'm doing. So there's going to be a total of 4 braids down the center, so 2 go to the right side and 2 are going to go into the left side. I'm coating the part right here with Shine and Jam, and this is the only product that I use. I typically do not force my clients to use heat, so especially someone like her who really wants to like work on keeping their curl pattern really strong, I would never flat iron or force a client to flat iron their hair because sometimes it's not necessary. It does hurt my hands sometimes depending on how thick their hair is, so I totally understand stylists who do make their clients either flat iron or, you know, just use heat in general. Personally, like I have a lot of natural clients that do not like to use heat, and so I just have learned to kind of work with them. But yeah, sometimes, you know, when you flat iron hair, it does give you a more sleek look. Her hair is definitely type 4. I want to say that it's like a 4B, 4C-ish texture, and it is really hard to grip this in without like having bumps and stuff. And I do have to grip it tight. I know you guys see the redness and you guys are like, oh my god, it's too tight. It's not too tight. Her scalp just does that, and I have a lot of clients whose scalp just does that. But I do want to say that I am gripping tight, obviously, because I want this to be really flat. And the trick to doing that is really just using product to get it like sleek and flat, and then also using my comb to part out and making sure that I'm grabbing all the hair that I can as tight as I can with my fingers, because obviously I want this to lay really, really flat. This is really hard to do, like really hard to do without using heat, and I commend anybody who is able to do this without heat, because it's hard, especially to get a sleek look on a type 4 hair with no heat. Like, baby, my fingers be moving, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. Like I said, using product really helps with this. Just making sure you take your time. This clip is sped up, but sometimes it takes me like 15 to 20 minutes to do one of these braids, just because I'm taking my time and trying to like get all the hair in there. You really cannot rush, because the moment you rush, there's going to be hair poking out from a certain side. this braid was done, I didn't go in and like take my comb and like try to tuck any hair under. I didn't do any of that. So this is just organically what the braid looks like. I have noticed on a lot of my past videos, you guys have asked about the products that I use or how much hair I'm using for each style that I'm doing, and I always list that information in the description section. So make sure you guys open up the description section and check there first. I do try to answer everyone's comments, but sometimes it does get a little overwhelming, so I may not be able to get to everyone, but yeah, check the description section, and typically I put all the information in there. If I miss something, then of course you can leave a question and I'll try to answer it ASAP. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I didn't leave any baby hairs out just because with her hair texture it is harder to lay them, and especially since I won't be there to do them for her every day, I was like, I'd rather not. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.